Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is a new video with the new name, and I'm doing something kind of different today. We're gonna go hit the water. This trolling motor sat for a while now. Craig spent some time on his own. The set screws were everything was seized up on it, so you couldn't turn it, you couldn't tilt it, couldn't move it, couldn't do anything. And got this new little baitcaster here. I got my 6'7" medium heavy ugly stick, and he's got enough for the whole world to go fishing with. So, hey boo, what's wrong, boobies? Hi boobies. I've been around this dog and this family for like 8 years, and I think that's like the 5th time I've pet it. So we're gonna go get going on that water here in a second. Gotta give Craig a blueprint to put that thing on. How long has it been since that thing's worked and been in the water?
Let's not talk about that, okay?
Is that a sore subject?
Yeah, let's just, I have a paper towel.
Oh. We already spilled a pop.
Yep, that's...
Craig was cleaning the boat after now. He's got cleaning duty.
What the hell did I do with it? There she goes. Yeah, that's just so my seat doesn't slide. It's so sticky.
There you go.
You know, I hate when my seat slides, you know.
We were just telling this one guy that came in, he's asking us about where the good fish are at. We told him last year over in that area we probably caught 150 to 200 bluegill that one day.
We actually told him to
Sunfish.
find another lake.
Yeah. He wanted all the tips and tricks. We couldn't really let him in on our secrets.
Here, pull that.
What's that?
Bunch of Kody.
Oh. Well, are you gonna get one rolling already?
No, I'm gonna just take them out, put them on the...
Oh, I gotcha.
So that we don't...
What do you want?
This one first.
It's inevitable for it to catch the other one.
Mm-hmm.
You already know that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Wait, we're not done with that trick.
no. Oh.
We're still not done with that trick.
Gotcha. Craig, I think it might be time to invest in like a Lund or something.
No. Hey, I'm all for it as long as you pay for it.
Yeah, I'll go there and get everything set up. You just have to come in and sign the paperwork with your name on it.
Yeah.
It's kind of moving though. This is a lot better than
Rowing.
I know that's for sure.
Hey, if the guy driving, pay attention.
Right. Don't put us into another pontoon.
Or into the shallows.
Where's your sweetest pole? This guy's awesome. I love this pole. It's his, but I use it more than he does. That was my perch slayer last year.
I would rename that perch killer.
So this usually happens almost every single time while I'm over here getting my rods out, getting the anchor set. There's Craig. Gets the first one. My stuff's all tangled up over here like usual.
He's just a widow one.
That was what happened last. You were the first one. Got the bass right off the bat.
I just said there's some weeds out there, and I'm getting to the weeds in a bit. There you go.
You guys aren't even gonna believe how big this fish is I just caught.
Beast.
Biggest one. It's about as big as the tree that's behind it right now. Again,
Okay.
little perch.
Kody, this is perch catching 101. If you'll notice, the hook and the worm are not in the throat of the fish. I'm going to show you something real quick here. And you just look. Oh,
How did you do that?
Alive, and I get to put it back in the water. Watch. It swims away. It doesn't float.
Yeah, so I got a bad thing with catching perch.
No, killer perch.
Yeah, killing. Anywhere we go on this lake, you'll find us. Gonna leave a little trail of dead perch. Craig is kind of making fun of me for that.
No,
Craig, thanks for perch fishing 101. I passed with an A+. Just a little guy. I didn't even know he was on there. Well, Craig's taking inventory. Another little perch here. Too bad looking. You alright over there?
Yep.
You need a schematic?
I might need a magnifying glass.
Fishing 101 didn't do much for me.
There
I don't know what it is with perch. It's just me and perch.
Oh wait, you're gonna add a bluegill to that one here in a second.
You know, he's good. I got him out. He didn't get it too bad, but
the chum trail starts. This motherfucker's gonna jump in the boat here in a second.
I knew I could see it. You know, I knew. I was like, ah, that thing's looking kind of funny, and I'm staring at it the whole time. What do you got going on over there? Turtle? Yeah, the turtle's back again. Oh, he just went under. As soon as you turned your head, he's like, fuck that guy. He's ugly.
He's gonna eat me.
This fish bent my pole. Ugh. He's almost as big as the hook. We're having problems with our beads going over our sticks right now, and our bobbers that are sitting sideways, but got another little perch here. Really? That guy left me. He said, screw you. Let's see what we can get going on over here. Get some footage of it or not. Show me what they look like.
That's stick. So I'm gonna retie this one more time, ladies and gentlemen.
Sure. A little perch. Freaking perch paradise right here. Another one. It's a beautiful day. It's not too sunny, you know. You ain't even got your shades on.
Nope. Another 20 yards, 30 yards. So get ready with the anchor. We'll try this spot. You're losing anchor. Wait, by the way.
Huh?
The rope's going in the water.
That wouldn't have been no good.
Get ready to drop anchor here. They hit the first guy.
Another little guy here.
I hit it again.
A little bluey. Right when we got over here, we casted and he hit weeds. And said he's seen a pretty nice pike come right up to the side, followed it right up to the. What do you got there, dude? Oh, it's a monster.
Come on out of there.
You're pulling the boat.
I know I am. It's coming through the. I'm getting it. It's coming through the weeds. I got it. It's on.
Right there. That's the biggest fish you ever caught.
I got video from this morning that says otherwise.
Yeah, I wasn't. As soon as I dropped it though, went to go cast mine in there. Yeah, he swallowed it too. That bastard. I knew I shouldn't have did that, but I did.
Going high out of the water, we were all the way up in there, and there was no weeds. So we're out another 20, 30 feet from where we were before.
Here, we'll do one of these. Oh, I was like, I'll catch him. Oh. A little perch? Okay, I can't fish with 2 fucking poles. I just can't do it. We got there.
That's a black crappie.
Nice. That's a big one too.
That's a decent size. That's a good eater.
Right underneath the boat.
If I could eat them,
right.
I'd keep them. But I can't eat them.
Yeah, that's nice.
Those are good eaters.
I always shut my camera off right when something happens too.
Yeah, dude.
I just got one as soon as you got one. Heck yeah. Not doing too bad. Figured I'd show you guys the biggest perch we caught all day. Oh, hey. Come here. Come here, stupid. Hey. Flappy McGee. Hey. Stop. You poked me. I'm gonna make you swallow that hook. Probably the biggest one we caught all day. Wow.
Yeah.
See you later. I didn't even know I caught him either. I was just reeling in so we could pull anchor. We got some forecast coming in over there.
Weather's coming.
Y'all better get. That thing's probably not strong enough to give him a tow. Nice little smallie. Doing some river fishing here with Craig and Derek today. He's getting back in the water. Oh yeah. Another little smallie. Just a baby guy. Oh, you get him? Not a bad one. Just a little baby. All right, so that wrapped up that fishing trip. We did not catch as much as we thought we were going to catch this trip. We usually go there. Before COVID, we were going there a lot. They have a membership there, and it's a pretty nice lake. There's some pretty deep spots out there. There's some spots that we counted with our line. You know, they were probably anywhere from 50 to 65 feet. It was pretty deep out there, but and just kind of the time of the year, we're just catching all kinds of little small stuff. But then we that was at Walden Woods in Heartland, Michigan, and then we ended up going to Riverview, and we did a little bit of river fishing there. Seen a bunch of big stuff, couldn't really get anything to bite, but we didn't really go there to fish. We went there to the Rifle River, and we just kind of floated down the river with the kayaks, took the kids and stuff. It was a good time. But as you can see from the video, I did sell the Cummins. It really hurt me to sell it, but that's kind of had to right now. A lot of my close personal friends know the real reason why. It just kind of had to go right now. But I'm looking for a new truck. There'll probably be a second gen. Something happened inside my head. I've been kind of looking at some 6.0s. I don't know what's going on there, but for some reason I feel like I might want to get a little tuner car first. I kind of want to get a little tuner car. I've had a lot of them. I had SRT4s, Neons, or no, I've had SRT4s, Eclipses. I've had Mustangs, a bunch of little cool cars and stuff, and I kind of miss having a little, you know, modded out tuner car, just kind of as like a little daily. So I've been looking at some SRT4s and stuff, and I don't know, you guys let me know what you think I should do first. If you think I should try and find a truck right away, or if you think I should try to get something different, throw a little bit of different stuff on the channel. Like I said, I'm a truck and a car enthusiast. I've had a lot of both, but this job that I'm doing right now, I'm traveling a lot, and a truck's just not really like ideal for that. Not really as a modded car, but what I do for work could be a lot easier with a car just because of where I go. So I don't know, let me know what you think. Like I said, it's probably going to be between like SRT4, a Mitsubishi Eclipse, something turbo for sure, something that's kind of already modded out a little bit, or if I come across a good deal on like a second gen, or you know, Duramax or 6.0 or something. I had a 7.3. They're pretty slow and they're good tow pegs, but I'm not really looking to get into another 7.3, and I don't want a 6.4, and I can't really afford a 6.7 right now. And Duramax, people think that they're just not even gonna go there. Just look at the prices online, you'll figure out what I'm talking about. I don't know, like I said, let me know what you think I should do first. If you think I should try and buy a little tuner car first and just kind of mess around with that for a couple months, or if you think I should just hop right back into another truck. So that's gonna end this video. We will be meeting up with the guy who bought my truck here in a couple days. I got a ton of receipts and stuff for him. I got some parts and got some paperwork for him. So yeah, we'll get all that in the next video. But it's been a while since I've uploaded. It's just been a lot kind of going on. I just started a new job, and I haven't really had any time to do anything. So I've filmed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe please, and thank you. It all the support helps. Every day it's growing little by little, and trying to make something out of this. So just be there for me. I'll be there for you guys, give you guys some cool stuff to watch. We're definitely going to get into some cool stuff here soon. It's just like I said, with these last few months, just things haven't been really going right for us, and just trying to make the best out of what we got. So if you like this video, smash the thumbs up button. If you got any good places here in Michigan to go fish at, let me know. I like to fish a lot, just haven't really been able to. So I don't know, comment on the video, let me know what you think I should do first, or anything you got.